Hey, what's up, team? My name's Corey. Just real quick, I'm going to shoot over three free tips that way you can actually start drawing more quality traffic to your site and landing more deals. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I'm just going to go browse through your website real quick. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Really being in a position, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. So what I'm really trying to say is beefing up your content to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords of what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what they're all saved as, it's all content. You can actually put a keyword back there, and Google actually recognize that, and that'll just help with your rankings even more. So that's your first tip. Boost up your content to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Change out your images. Now, if I go inside of Google here and actually type in heating repair Fort Lauderdale, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are brand new. If I go down to the bottom, they put the old school ads down here. A lot of people have been going away with these because they've been really spammy. A lot of people put up ad blockers as well. So if you are running ads, ads aren't even getting through to a lot of people too. So they came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls, which I've seen some of these ads anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click. So imagine paying for $130 a click, and people doing this every day and not buying services can get pricey at the end of the day. Right underneath the ads, we have this little map section. Really, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is just go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. And a citation is going to look like a Facebook, LinkedIn. You got the BBB. There's Locals Best. There's City Star. There's thousands of them out there, by the way. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic rankings. This is the first page of Google. And really to get there, it comes down with that authoric content, what you say and how you say it to the general public. Also, what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Now, if we take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool lets you see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you got 14 referring domains, which is pushing back 141 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had just over 1,000 backlinks or so. You started your website back in 2013 or so. And there's your journey there. You're being found for 72 keywords, and in total, you're getting about 62 clicks on average to your website. And this PPC here stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads. I don't know if you're doing any ads with TV, radio, commercials, things like that. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But anyway, coming in and seeing where these 62 clicks are actually coming from comes from these keywords. These are the words that actually how your website's actually being found. Excuse me. And so you have your name right here at the top, but I'm just looking for those buyer's intent keywords like air conditioning repair, Pompano Beach. There's 30 clicks every month. You're 15th position, so you're missing all the traffic. All the traffic goes to that first page there. AC repair Fort Lauderdale. There's 150 clicks every single month. 18th position, so you're missing all the traffic once again. So yeah, if we come down here, air conditioning Fort Lauderdale, another 50 clicks. Missing the traffic, your 30th position, and yeah, the positions get worse as we keep going down here. HVAC Fort Lauderdale, so there's a lot of keywords that we should be ranking for. Kind of showing you one of your competitors here. This is Lindstrom Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Kind of sticking them in the Ahrefs real quick, kind of showing you what they're doing. You can see their position here. They have a lot of second and third positions, a couple fifths as well. They get a decent amount of traffic coming from that because they are on the first page of Google, and these are the keywords and also the amount of clicks happening per keyword as well. So kind of going through all these real quick. Fort Lauderdale air conditioning, there's 200 clicks for that one keyword. He's 5th position, so he's getting a decent amount of traffic coming from that. Air conditioning repair, Fort Lauderdale FL, another 80 clicks. So really what you'd want to do is come through here and figure out those keywords that are going to serve you to help grow your business. And so if I come back into yours, you're getting 62 clicks on average to your website every month. What would an extra, 60 to 100 clicks of those specific keywords do for your business? Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you, or give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.